Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. So today we are going to discuss about like, love, prefer and hate. Before moving on to topic, I would request you that please like, share and comment and do subscribe my channel. So let's come to the point. The point first one is after like, love, prefer and hate, we can use either a to infinitive or an ing form. The meaning is the same. First we are to know that what is to infinitive. To infinitive means base form. We can also say first form of the verb is called to infinitive. Let's look at an example. The first one is John likes to play. He likes playing in the ground. Now here to play is to infinitive and playing is an ing form. The second example, Sarah loves to travel. He loves traveling abroad. The same, here we have used to travel, which means to infinitive and traveling. The third one is people prefer to prefer staying at home in COVID-19. It means we have used here to infinitive. To plus first form of the verb is called to infinitive. The fourth example is I hate standing up while I'm eating. So this was our lesson of today's. I hope you have gotten it, and inshallah we will meet in next video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.